Hello. We are going to, with this perfect patient, are going to explain how to angle the pillow because we're getting a lot of emails and a little bit of confusion on how much to angle, how much your neck has to hang over the neck nest. So let's do it like this. So Paige is going to lie back, and when you first start using the neck nest, we're going to start like this, where the neck nest is flat, you tags it to the left, and your head just rests over the roll. As the neck nest breaks in, it will get softer. Now this is where some of the confusion is coming, where I'm telling you to angle the neck nest. A lot of people are taking the neck nest, and all right, have your head up, and they're angling it completely on its edge, and they're resting their neck completely over. That's a little too much distraction, or your head's tractioning a little too much, and it can cause pain back here. So instead, all we're doing is we're angling up slightly so the pillow so the shoulders just go right under the pillow. So if you, the neck nest, so the shoulders are coming right under this lip right here. And what that does is it doesn't angle it so much. There's not as much distraction in the head, and it's locking the neck nest between your shoulders and your head. Does that feel comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it one more time. So instead of doing it like this, where the neck nest is completely angled up, head down, we're just going to angle it slightly, like a 45-degree angle, where the head's resting over. So what I want to do is Paige, I want you to sit up and I want you to show them how to do it on your own, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so neck nest is flat on the bed.
So when you lay down, rest your head right in the middle, and then instead of trying to stack it vertically, you just want to angle it a little bit up, and I know that I got it because my shoulders are under the bottom, and then pulling this back like so. Did I do it right?
Perfect, yep. So the shoulders are just, okay, you can sit up for me. So all we're trying to do is get the shoulders right under here. So we're angling it up slightly like she did, and then our head just angles over this. So come back one more time. So the shoulders are right under the neck nest, angled just slightly. And then if you want more distraction, you can take both hands and then pull the pillow, the neck nest under your neck, and you can get a little bit more. So you're just angling it slightly to get the shoulders under it, and then you pull the neck nest back to be able to get that hug of that neck. Thank you so much. Paige, thank you so much for helping us out.
No problem.